Whirlpool Energy Star 10,000 BTU 115V window-mounted air conditioner with remote control. Energy Star compliant, 12.1 ear. 10,000 air conditioner for window-mounted installation. 5.9 Fort. Lcdi power cord with 3-prong grounded plug uses 115V electrical outlet. Cools a room up to 450 SQ. Fort. With up to 2.11 pints per hour dehumidification. Remote control with LCD display allows you to control the unit from across the room. Airflow, CFM, 282 high 253 med 224 low. Product dimensions, 21.5 watts x 19.8 dx 14.7 h. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.